We have already studied about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Also, we have studied the nth term of AP as well as sum of first n terms of AP. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. So the first question is, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So we need two formulas here. First is nth term of AP, n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The second one, sum of n terms of AP is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they have given d as 7 and 22nd term is 149. So we'll write A22 equal to 149. So A22 is A plus 21D equal to 149 and A plus 21 into 7 equal to 149. A plus 21 into 7 is 147 equal to 149 and A equal to 149 minus 147 which is equal to 2. But the question is, we need to find out sum of first 22 terms. So we will write S22. So S22 equal to 22 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 11 into a is 2, n minus 1, that is 22 minus 1 is 21 and d is 7. So we can write 4 plus 21 into 7 which is equal to 11 into 4 plus again 147. So 4 plus 147 is 151 which is equal to 1661. So the sum of first 22 terms is 1661. Next one, find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So we need to find out sum of first 51 terms of AP. S51 we need to find. It is 51 divided by 2 into 2a plus 50d. General formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Since it is S51, 51 by 2 into 2a plus 50d. First term and common difference is not given. Instead, second and third term they have given. Second term is 14. Third term is 18. Therefore, common difference will be a3 minus a2. 18 minus 14 is 4. Again we need to find out first term. Substitute in any of the equation. A2 is a plus d. 14 is equal to a plus 4. A equal to 14 minus 4, that is 10. Now we will substitute the values. S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2 into 10 plus 50 into d, that is 4, 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200, so which is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. So when you cancel, it is 110. 51 into 110 is 5610. Next question, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, Find the sum of first n terms. So they have given S7 as well as S17. So we need to find out sum of first n terms of AP. So we need to find out, we know sum of first n terms of AP. The formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find out value of a and d. With this data, they have given S7 as 49 and S17 as 289. So S7 I can write as n by 2, that is 7 by 2. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d, or 49 equal to 7 by 2 into, we can take outside this 2, a plus 3d. 2 and 2 cancel. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So I got my first equation, a plus 3d equal to 7. The same way we can find out the next equation, S17 equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. S17 they have given 289 equal to 17 by 2, take outside 2, so I have a plus 8d. This will get cancelled. 289 divided by 17 is 17, a plus 8d. Now this is our first equation, this is our second equation. We can solve these two equations and get the value of a and d, and finally substitute in this equation. We can give as Roman letter 1 since already 1 and 2 is given. So we will get the value of Sn. So a plus 3d equal to 7, a plus 8d equal to 17. Subtract. So we have 5d equal to minus 5d equal to minus 10. So minus 5d equal to minus 10, d equal to minus 10 divided by minus 5, which is equal to plus 2. Substitute in any of the equation to get the value of a. So a plus 3 into 2 equal to 7, a equal to 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. So we got the value of a as 1 and d as 2. Now we need to find out Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So we can take outside 2. We have 1 plus n minus 1. So 2 and 2 cancel. N into n is n square. So the value of Sn is n square. This 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now first integer is 6, second integer is 12, third integer is 18. So here a is 6, common difference is also 6. Now 40 positive integers. So what will be A40? To find out A40, we'll write AN formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A40, because 40 positive integers you need to find. 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. So 6 plus 39 into 6. So when you do 6 plus 39 into 6 is equal to 240. Now we need to find the sum of these positive integers, that is 6 plus 12 plus 18 etc. up to 240. So before that we need to S40 is equal to, we can use the formula first term n by 2 into first term plus last term. N is 40 because first 40 positive integers they have asked. First term is 6 and last term is 240. So 20 into 246, which is equal to 4920. Next question, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So first term will be 8, second term will be 16, third term will be 24, like that. First 15 multiples of 8 we need to find. So I'll write a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first 15, so a 15 is equal to 8 plus 14 into 8. Here first term is 8, common difference is also 8. So a 15 is equal to 8 plus, when you do this, 14 into 8, the answer is 120. So 15th term we got as 120. Now S15 we need to find 15 by 2 into first term plus last term. So 15 by 2 into 128, so which is equal to 50 into 64. When you cancel this, you'll have 64. 15 into 64 is equal to 960. So find the sum of all odd numbers between 0 and 50. First odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, 5, etc. Last odd number is 49. So here A is 1, D is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. We need to find out sum of all odd numbers between 1, 0 and 50. So first we will find out how many odd numbers are there using this formula a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 49 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 49 is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. 40, this 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2n minus 1, 49 equal to 2n minus 1, or 50 equal to 2n. N is equal to 50 by 2, which is equal to 25. Now 25 terms are there. We need to find out sum of all this 25 terms. So we'll write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or I think the other formula is easy since we have the first term and the last term. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2. First odd number is 1 and last odd number is 49. So 25 by 2 into 50. So 25 into 25 is 625. So this is the first sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So thank you for watching my video.